All right, welcome back to the channel. We're back with my 2004 WRX STI, and we are knocking out a few things this week as we're getting some parts in. Currently, I've got the deep carpet cleaner, deep clean carpet cleaner out. We've been doing the interior and just kind of show you guys where that's at. Right now, it's still drying. This is my first go through. It doesn't look like that much better, and I don't know if maybe I need to switch the detergent, but I spent quite a bit of time on it. It's pretty much dry now, but we still have like all these little imperfections and stuff. The backing here looks pretty nice, but we still have like these areas. So I'm not quite sure what I need to use to get that out. If you guys have any tips, but the carpet down there looks pretty good. And the door jamb is a lot cleaner than it was. So that's pretty sweet. All right, so what I got today, I absolutely love the front end on this car. But something I want to try is I have got new caps for the front bumper. I really like the OEM style, just STI fog lamp covers that come on it, just the white with the rose colored STI sticker. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. I'm gonna pop these off, put some of these on that I just got, and see what it looks like. We'll see if this is as easy as I think it is, but see if I can get that. Popped off, or let's see. Looks like I gotta pull this tab out, but all right, so needs to just kind of work its way out. There we go. So I just took a long plastic tap here and push this tab out from this part first, and then everything else just kind of popped out. So let's see what we got here. We got left and right side here. Looks like pretty straightforward, honestly. That could be one of the easiest installs ever. We'll see. The paint color is just a white. I don't know if it's not an exact fit, I can tell. But I don't know if this has been repainted. I'm not quite sure where the paint history is on this car, but we're gonna play with this for now. I'm waiting for the stickers to come so I can put these back on, and I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so got them back in. And once I get the stickers on, I think it'll just bring back that OE look that I'm kind of going for. I know it's super nice to have those fog lights on there and stuff, but I really like the stock front end on these, especially with the OEM gold wheels in the Alpine white. I really want to keep that look going, so probably get more OE style stuff on here. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with the lower bumper yet, but we'll see. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I'll probably be getting those stickers on here. And I'm gonna see how off the white is. It is a different shade of white, so I don't know if that's gonna annoy me. If it is, I'll get it sprayed to match. Otherwise, we may have to paint some parts of the car anyways. But yeah, for now, this will work out pretty good.